Okay, I'm going to take you deep into the weeds here. This, what you're looking at is CorelDraw, and it's what I use to create the graphics for my websites or for anything else for that matter. All right, so I've got the entire state here, and you see all of the individual counties are drawn and so forth. Now, down here on the coast, when I drew these in, I drew them originally to just be broad shapes here. But in the past, I've had the bays down here along the coast also drawn in for these shapes. So I'm going to do that now. All right, I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to select Hancock, and I'm going to trim that. All right, so that trimmed that portion out of Hancock, sort of. All right, so now I'm going to take this one, same shape, and select Harrison County, do the same thing. Let's see, shaping and trim. Okay. Well, first of all, let me get this this little piece that's on either side of the county boundary here. Let me get that taken care of. All right, so let's take this one, which is Harrison County. Object. I'm going to break that apart. And now this is, I can do something else with it. Is I'm going to select Hancock County. And I'm going to combine that. There we go. That takes that out. Now I'm going to move over. So now I'm going to use the Bezier tool again. So I'm going to take that shape and I'm going to carve it out of Harrison County. Object, shaping, trim, same here. And those are a little close. I'll fix it in a second. All right, take the same shape, go over here for Jackson County, and oops, shaping and trim. Okay, and once again, I want to take this shape and put it over on this side. This is in Jackson County, and I actually want Harrison County here to show this extra shape going out this way. So let's break it apart. got that little piece. I'm going to add it back to Harrison County. So I will combine it. Shaping. I'm going to move that over just slightly. And I'm going to select Harrison. And shaping, weld, and that removes that. Round. Okay. So I've got those. I now have my bays cut out. Okay. It's getting better. Okay. Okay, I think I got it nailed down to what I want there. And that is one of the many tiny things that I do to create these websites.